To fix missing display field or name from registry in to play FC26, there's honestly two things that you can try. First thing is to entirely reinstall your EA Play EA app service on your PC. You can uninstall your app by going through the settings on your PC, then go to the apps and here select installed apps, find the EA app and then uninstall it. Keep in mind that it may uninstall any other games you have installed with EA app, and that's that. So if that didn't help, next thing that you can try is to just reinstall EA Sports FC 26. Here I have it on Steam, but you can also reinstall it on your EA Play. Just uninstall the game and then install it again. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.